I'm going to start with a Kahoot quiz. I don't think we will take the whole lesson. I mean, I don't think we will run the full 1.5 hours today because I don't have a lot of content to cover, but we will see as it goes. So I will just start on a lighter note. I'm going to start with a Kahoot quiz. Can you all go and take out your devices? What's this? Yeah, go and take your devices out. I don't know what happened to the points, so sorry about it. Okay, can. Okay, so I'm going to start with today's lesson. For question 1, I have Amelia, Yu Heng, and Caleb who got this question wrong. Okay, so if you keep hearing your name being called out for the MCQ part, you know that you need to revise this topic carefully. And one more time, okay? So, which of the following conditions would affect the population of wood lice in a community? Wait, one more thing. Javen, I want you to type your answer in the chat group for all of the MCQ questions when I flash them. All right? So, Amelia, will the absence of water affect the population of wood lice? Yes or no?
No.
Why no? Wood lice is a living thing, right? All living things need air, food, and
Water.
so will the absence of water affect the wood lice?
Yes.
Exactly. Okay, Caleb, will the presence of strong sunlight affect the wood lice? Why no? What do you know of wood lice? Usually, where can you find wood lice? What kind of habitat?
A lot.
Rotting log, right? Or leaf litter, right? These communities, do they have a lot of light? They are usually very dark. So wood lice do not like light. So Caleb, once again, will the presence of strong sunlight affect the wood lice in a community? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next one. Yu Heng, increase in the population of centipedes. Will this affect the wood lice? Yes or no, Yu Heng? Yu Heng, yes or no?
Yes,
Why? What is the relationship between the centipede and the wood lice?
as centipede increases, the wood lice
Wood lice what?
increases.
Decrease or increase? Huh? Go down or go up? I cannot hear you.
Go up.
Huh? So when there's more centipede, there's more wood lice. Why? Can explain to me? What does the centipede do to the wood lice, or what does the wood lice do to the centipede? Yu Heng? Can you guess? Can you guess? I'm waiting for you.
Centipede eat the wood lice.
Centipede what?
Eat the wood lice.
Exactly. So centipede preys on the wood lice. Okay, so the wood lice is food to the centipede. So if my population of centipede go up, Yu Heng, the population of wood lice will go down or go up?
Go down.
Yes. Understand, people? Clear? Now, centipedes are quite carnivorous, okay? They also eat things like snails. They also eat things like millipedes. All right, so please take note in case you don't know. Okay, Amelia, will cleaning the leaf litter affect the population of wood lice? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, because wood lice are found usually in the leaf litter community. If I clean it up, I destroy the habitat, the number of wood lice will decrease. Okay, so the correct answer is all of the above. Caleb, understand? Good. Okay, moving on. Next question. Christina, Manisha, Amelia, Hao Qian, Yu Heng. You all got this question wrong. Which of the following aquatic plants will not grow well in muddy pond? So, I taught y'all before, for aquatic plants, we can group them into 3 categories. Javen, you also got this wrong. Hao Qian, do you remember for aquatic plants, how can we group the aquatic plants? How?
There is submerged,
How? Fully submerged or partially submerged?
fully,
Okay, so completely under the water, the leaves, the roots, the stem, all under the water. What else do we have?
partially submerged.
Very good. Partially submerged means what? Can I explain to the class?
Means the plant is half underwater, half in the air.
In the air. So the roots are always underwater. Okay, the stem, part of the stem and the leaves are above the water. Okay, how about the third category, Hao Qian?
Floating,
Very good. Floating means entire plant. The roots are above the water surface. Okay, the roots are directly beneath the water surface. The plants are on the surface. So let's look at which category of plant, Christina, do you think will be most affected if they live in a muddy pond? Fully submerged, partially submerged, or floating?
Fully submerged.
Why? Very good. Why, Christina? Can I explain why? You are correct, but why is that so? Why will fully submerged plants be most affected in a muddy pond or by dirty waters? Christina? Manisha, can you help her?
Because the dirty water prevents sunlight from entering the pond.
And the plants that are fully submerged will not receive enough light for what? Manisha?
Photosynthesis.
Yes, guys, imagine I'm in the pond. My water is cloudy. My plant that is fully submerged is all the way at the bottom. Compared to plants that are partially submerged and plants that are floating. These ones, if the water is muddy, will not be able to receive enough light. Aiman, Hao Qian, Lilian, do you see that? So, cannot receive enough light through muddy waters. So when we look at the examples, we need to figure out which ones are floating, which ones are partially submerged, which ones are fully submerged. So Javen, water moth ferns, you might not know, but do a guess. Floating, partially submerged, or fully submerged?
Partially submerged.
Floating, okay? Those who have your worksheets printed out, go and write this down. Floating. Okay, pandan. I was a bit surprised also. I had to do a bit of research. So apparently, pandan, they are not always found in the pond, but they can grow, okay, in very watery soil. So pandans can basically partially submerge. Okay, water lily, very easy. Amelia, can you tell me water lily is what kind of category? Amelia? Water lily, Amelia?
Water lily is
Huh?
fully submerged.
No. Water lily is the plant that you see the water lily. You can see the flower on top of the water one. So it's what? Can you try again?
Partially submerged.
Yes. Which leads us to the thick grass that is fully submerged. So Hao Qian, what is the, I'm sorry, so Yu Heng, what is the answer? Yu Heng, what is the answer?
D.
Thank you. Okay, Javen, understand? Okay. Question 3. Question 3, a lot of students got it wrong. I don't think anybody got it. Oh, only Casey got correct. Casey, very good. You get all your MCQ correct. Very proud of you. Yeah, I think Casey is the only one who got this question correct too. Everybody else got it wrong. Javen also wrong. Okay, so let's listen up and figure out what this question is about. Which of the following organisms live in the leaf litter habitat? So let's look at option A. Okay, option A, nothing sounds particularly wrong. Okay, so let's look at B. Javen, which organism in B definitely does not belong to the leaf litter habitat?
Dragonfly.
Thank you very much. Okay, so I can cross B out. Now let's look at C. Caleb, which organism in C definitely does
Barnacle.
not belong? Huh?
Barnacle.
Yes, barnacles are aquatic. And also you don't see a butterfly in the leaf litter habitat, right? So I'll cross this out. Okay, next one. Earthworm, millipede, spider, lily. Manisha, which one is out of place? Which one does not belong for option D? Leaf litter.
Spider lily.
Yes, okay. If I'm not wrong, let me do a very quick Google search. Okay, the spider lily is basically a very pretty plant. Okay, that is basically found in like the garden. It's a plant. Okay, I will not find it in a leaf litter habitat. So the answer is A. So for questions like that, if we are not sure, you go through each option, okay, and then you eliminate. Do the elimination method. Okay, Javen, okay, following. Amelia, okay. Jiaping, okay, understand? All right. Question 4. Aiman, Christina, Manisha, Yu Heng. You all made a mistake. Javen, answer for question 4, please. Okay, a group of boys made some observation about different environments. Their observations are as such. In which of the above environments would you find termites thriving? So, Yu Heng, where do you usually find termites? What kind of habitat? Yes, I heard you say something.
Leaf litter.
Yes, so you find termites in leaf litter or rotting logs habitat. And usually these kind of habitats, very good, Javen, you got this question correct. Okay, usually these kind of habitats, think about the characteristics. Okay, so Aiman, will you find termites in 1?
No,
Why? What is wrong with 1?
because there's sunlight.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, and it is dry. Usually these habitats are damp, wet. Okay, so cross out. Same thing for 2. It is good sunlight, also not going to be correct. Okay, as long as there's sunlight, the termite will not like it. Okay, how about 3? Is it likely? Christina?
No.